Hi, this is Igor. Here's how to fill your anti-smog machine with electrolyte. First, put on your personal protective equipment, goggles and gloves. Fill a suitably large, clean container with 14.5 liters of distilled water. Add 2 kilos of high-quality potassium hydroxide flakes. Always add flakes to water, not the other way around. Mix well until the solution is transparent. That's it, you can now fill the machine with the electrolyte. To transfer the electrolyte into the electrolyzer cell, you can simply pour the liquid through a calibrated funnel included in the kit, or you can siphon it. To use the siphon method, place your electrolyte container slightly above the level of the electrolyzer cell. Fill the hose included in the kit with distilled water. Place one end of the hose into the electrolyte container, close the other end, transfer to the electrolyzer top funnel, then open. The gravity will then pull the electrolyte from the container into the electrolyzer cell. Now you know how to make the electrolyte and fill up the machine. Let's help the cities breathe.